What's going on, guys? Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you the current position that I'm in for Bitcoin and where I think the market is heading next to get some really, really good trades. It's an amazing time to trade right now, winning loads of trades. I'm going to go over very briefly my strategy, what I looked for last week, how I won last week, and how I'm planning to win this week, basically. Just before we get into today's video, the exchange that I'm using is Weex. You can get a 20% deposit bonus if you sign up. The link is in the video description. So basically, if you put in $1,000, you get $200 for free. You put in $2,000, you get $400 for free. And that's basically play money you can trade with and make profit on. So it's a no-brainer. The link is in the video description. Also, the link for my public channel is in the video description. Definitely get involved in that. I post all of my stuff in there as well. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Okay, so currently on a 5-minute chart, and this is just a short-term move I'm looking at. So I basically actually entered here, absolutely perfect entry. As you can see, we're already falling down here. My take profit is down there at 73,000. My stop loss is at 74,250. And what I was basically looking for is we created this massive sell order block. We then created another sell order block. I basically entered here. We do have a breaker structure we haven't yet filled. Now, whenever we have a breaker structure, we will typically come back and fill it. So what I basically looked at is, yes, we have an EMA that we bounced from a couple of times. However, I thought we're going to break through that, which we now have. We just need to close below it. We do have the equilibrium that we could move sideways, maybe use it as a bit of support, fill a tiny bit of the fair value gap, but we really need to come down to this breaker structure. So it's a big breaker structure. So as you can see, the low is at 72,850. Sometimes it doesn't fill the whole thing before it goes back up. So that's why I put the stop loss, the take profit at previous support, which is around these levels here. And yeah, the trade is playing out absolutely beautifully. So that's currently the trade that I'm in at the moment. Let's zoom out to the hourly, 4-hourly and daily chart just to see direction for the week. Okay, guys, so currently on the hourly chart. Now, the hourly chart's telling me the same thing. Obviously, we've got a high here, we've come down, we've got another high, potentially creating a cup and handle on the hourly chart. Going to come back down to the support level here. We do have a fair value gap slightly underneath it, and we have the equilibrium. I'm not saying we're going to come all the way down to the equilibrium, but I think we're going to at least come down here before we then bounce to the upside. Now, as you can see, we've got the RSI, we've got a top here, basically high here, double top, and then we're continuing to fall. We'll start to fall to the downside before then continuation to the upside. So whenever I take a trade, I'll always look at the daily, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, and then for my entries, I'll typically look at the 30-minute, 15-minute, and the 5-minute to try and really get a precise entry. But on the hourly chart, looking super bullish right now. Let's jump into the 4-hour and daily and yeah, look at more kind of direction for the week. But I think we're going to be coming down to here, and then we're going to take next leg up. But let's just look at the bigger time frames just for confirmation. Okay, so I've come over to the daily chart. Now, what we do need to look at, right, is we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green days. So we are due that correction because what goes up must come down. And where I previously entered, this is what I was going to tell you actually, is with the strategy that I've got, it's a number of things combined, but just very basic, is whenever we have one of these, typically on the daily or the 4-hour, this is a buy order block. And then we have the red ones, which are sell order blocks. What I typically do is when that's created, it will be somewhere either on this candle or one of these candles here, right? I'll put the stop loss below here. All right. So just for example, stop losses are what, 62,383. Yeah. And then it will typically ride up. Now, this works most accurate on the daily and the 4-hour. The 1-hour is good, but the daily 4-hour, it's like a 90 to 95% hit rate. It's incredible. I'm running a 7-day bootcamp right now. So if you want to learn exactly how to input this indicator, look at what I look for in terms of that, and then a bunch of other things. Once they all align, that's how you get that 80 to 90% hit rate. The link's in the video description for the 7-day bootcamp that I'm currently running. But yeah, on the daily, it's looking bullish. However, the only thing that I'm looking at, and this is why I'm currently short right now before I think we're going to go up, is we've got rejected off the RSI basically here, but then we've gone through it here. Now, if we do close above this today, it doesn't matter where we close above, but if we close above it, we're typically going to have another pump. However, on the other side of it, I'm looking at potentially a nice red candle down before we continue. So that's why I'm just kind of doing small moves. I'm going to see how the trade plays out today. Currently sitting in good profit at the moment, but going to see how it plays out today. Might close it potentially a tiny bit earlier because we could come down to about 63,100 at 64 instead of 63,000. So I'll just see how it plays out. And it is on the 5-minute chart as well. So yeah, So far, so good. So guys, that is everything for today's video. Make sure you click the link in the video description to join my free public channel, completely free. I put all of the alpha and everything in there and the trades I'm taking. Also sign up to Weex, you get 20% deposit bonus. And if you want to learn my strategy, join Richmond Masterclass 7-day bootcamp. The link's in the video description. And I will see you guys in the next video.